This is the Gertrude Colorize Die set from Tim Holtz and Sizzix. I love these colorized die sets. They're a great way to use up cardstock scraps. And also when you go and layer the different pieces, they create some natural dimension and a lot of interest. Right on the back of each die is written the color suggestion, as well as little indent marks that shows you exactly where the next layer gets placed. So it takes a lot of the guesswork out of gluing these pieces together and placing them. There are 10 dies in this set, and some of these dies cut multiple pieces, but because they have the placement guide on each one of these, it makes it really easy to layer them. This piece of cardstock that I have here is 4¼ by 5½ inches, which is the size of an A2 card. So you can see that she is larger than that. She's narrower but taller. So this would be great for a larger card or a mixed media project. Even a scrapbook page would be a fantastic element on a scrapbook page. I like to put these together with a liquid glue, and that way when you're adding the next layer, you can move and shimmy things in place. It just makes it a little bit easier. These are great dies to use to create a lot of dimension and detail, and I didn't do it on my little sample, but you could also ink the edges to add even more dimension. And by having a colored image on the front of the die set, it gives you an idea of what colors to use, but you can always get a little bit creative and use whatever colors you want.